Hey everyone, I'm Catherine, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a progression of an aerial ocean view oil painting I recently completed. This painting picks up after I laid down an acrylic base layer and finished the rest with oil. I hope you enjoy! If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell to see more content like it in the future.
There is water at the bottom of the ocean. Under the water, carry the water. And you may find yourself living in a shotgun shack. And you may find yourself in another part of the world. And you may find yourself behind the wheel of a large automobile. And you may find yourself in a beautiful house with a beautiful wife. And you may ask yourself, well, how did I get here?
Rocks and stones, there is water under. Letting the days go by. Let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by. Water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime. Water flowing underground.
You may ask yourself, what is that beautiful house? You may ask yourself, where does that highway go to? And you may ask yourself, am I right? Am I wrong? And you may say to yourself, my God, what have I done?
Letting the days go by. Let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by. Water flowing underground into the blue again. Into the silent water. Under the rocks and stones, there is water underground. Letting the days go by. Let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by. Water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime. Water flowing underground.
Same as it ever was. Look where my hand was. Time isn't holding up. Time isn't after us. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Here a twister comes. Here comes the twister. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. And you may find yourself living in a shotgun shack. And you may find yourself in another part of the world.